Hi everyone! Today's recipe is melted Moose Tracks Bundt Cake. So what do we need to make melted Moose Tracks Bundt Cake? We need 2 cups original Moose Tracks ice cream, melted, a box of white cake mix, three eggs, one cup powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons milk. So let's begin. You want to turn the oven on and preheat it to 350. And we're going to take our cooking spray and spray the bundt pan. You want to make sure you get this part of it all sprayed too so it don't stick on that. And you want to dump your white cake mix in the bowl and put the eggs in there. And put the melted Moose Tracks ice cream. And then stir it until it's thoroughly incorporated. And it looks like it is mixed completely. And then we're going to go ahead and pour this in the bundt cake pan. And I'm doing this kind of backwards so I don't get my arm in the way. So wish me luck. And this is what it looks like before it goes into the 350-degree oven. You cook it for 30 minutes until it springs back when you touch it, and when you put a toothpick in the center it comes out clean. Now I imagine that you can use any ice cream. I'm not sure, but if you don't like Moose Tracks you can probably use Bunny Tracks or some other kind of ice cream. If you'd like to try a different one, let me know how well that turns out. Okay, so the 30 minutes is up, and I can touch it and it bounces back. And I'll go ahead and it comes out clean. So what I like to do anytime that I make a cake that I want to take out of the pan or a loaf of bread, as soon as it comes out of the oven, I'd like to take a butter knife and just go along the edge and loosen it from the edge. So when I get ready to take it out of the pan after it has cooled, it won't stick. So now we just have to let it cool completely. And then after it cools, we'll go ahead and make the icing to go on top of it. Alright, so the cake was finally cooled enough. I obviously did not get it sprayed completely in all of the spots because some of it stuck to the pan. But all in all, it does look pretty good considering. So now we're going to go ahead and make the icing. And we're going to do 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk. And then we'll go ahead and whisk it until it turns into icing. That didn't take long at all. And we're just going to go ahead and drizzle it over the cake. And there we have it. Doesn't that look delicious? And now we need to go ahead and see if it tastes as good as it looks. Very nice looking. So let's test it and see how well it tastes. Nice and soft. It's got a unique flavor. I think that you could use any type of ice cream or maybe even any type of cake mix. If I make this again, I think I'll try mint chocolate chip ice cream and a chocolate cake. Bon appetit! Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.